Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds INFINIX Buds Neo from your Android device. You have to start by Open Settings. After that, go to Connected Devices and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect, and to disconnect your earbuds you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but you leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and click at the forget button, you will totally remove your earbuds from the device list. Now let me click on it, and now if I return at the device list, right here as you can see I stop Bluetooth connection because now it's on saved devices, not in my devices, so it means that it's disconnected. But still I have it at the device list, and if these earbuds are turned on, I can easily reconnect it by tap at these earbuds at the device list here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!